Two balls.
Put it in play. Gotta have this run right here.
We need the run. Let's hit Derek home. Oh. Straighten it out.
Be aggressive now. Trying to give you sound effects. Come on, Lana. Come on, man.
Not yet. Tell him, come on, Daddy, let's go.
Come on, Daddy, let's go.
Let's get one. Oh, you got lucky on that one. All right, if it looks good, you better grab it. Keep your eyes on that ball. All right, way to hang in there, babe.
Right on, Lana. Be early, buddy. Be early now.
Loosen up.
Be aggressive now. Good swing at it. Good. He needs a little flare right here. Everybody's in.
There you go, baby. Drop, drop, drop. All right, good job. Good job, baby. All right, Derek. All right. Daddy, yeah. Daddy got it, baby. He got the good hit. He's on first base now. All right. Come get your lollipop. Sit back. I want you to sit back down. Hurry up. Go sit back down.
Help yourself right here.
All right, be smart out there.
Here you go, Tupo. Help yourself.
Let's go, Padres.
Go! Get down, get down. Yes, sir. There he is. There he is, Todd.
And he's safe.
There you go, Lionel. There we go. One now. One. Tagging that way. Tagging. Zero that way. Tag.
Oh, and Maddie P is there next to you, asking you how you been doing. All right. Be smart out there, guys.
Not the one you were looking for. Not your pitch. Don't worry about it.
Go, baby, go home. Go. Ain't nothing like hesitating. Damn.